Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Windows 10 installation has failed. So before we dive into any solutions, just make sure to do the following. Simply unplug all the peripheral devices. Before starting the update, disconnect all your non-essential peripherals. This includes printers, gamepads, external drives and similar devices. After disconnecting them, simply start the upgrade process, and if the process is successful, just connect your devices again. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to uninstall the language pack. To do this, press the Windows button in the lower left corner, then hover over the settings icon and click on it. Now in here, make sure to click on time and language on the right side, and afterwards in the time and language section, make sure to click on language on the left pane. And then on the right side, scroll down until you find the preferred languages section. Now the last thing you have to do is simply remove all the non-English languages. So if you have one, just click on it and then select the remove option. Now you can just restart your PC and then check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to uninstall any third-party antivirus. To do this, press the Windows button in the lower left corner, then hover over settings and click on it. Now in here, select the apps category, and then on the right side, make sure to find the antivirus that is problematic to you, click on it, and then simply select the uninstall option. Afterwards, just restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. And if it's not caused by the antivirus, simply reinstall your antivirus. And another useful solution is to RebuildBcd to install Windows 10. So first of all, we have to access the recovery menu in Windows 10. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the power icon, and then hover over Restart and hold Shift and click on the Restart option. So this should restart your PC and take you to the Advanced menu section. Now in here you have to choose the Troubleshoot option, and then afterwards click on Advanced options in the next window. And lastly, just open Command Prompt from this menu. And lastly, in Command Prompt, what you have to do is simply copy-paste the following commands that I posted in the description below, but make sure to press Enter after each command. This should finalize the repair procedure and you should be able to upgrade your PC without any problems. And that was it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.